Did you know this Apple logo can also work as a button? Let me show you. Go to settings, accessibility. There is an option touch. In the end, you will see back tap. Click on that. Double tap. Choose any. Like I'll choose screenshot as an example to show you. Double tap your Apple logo. You'll get screenshot. Here's another trick for you guys. I'll show you how you can lock any app in your iPhone. Go to settings, screen time, turn on screen time, continue. This is my phone. Scroll down, use screen time password. Click on this, set any password. Suppose I'll set 1234. 1234. Skip it. Skip. Now go to app limits, add limit. Choose any of these apps. I'll choose social media, WhatsApp, Facebook, Messenger, messages, whatever I want. Click on next. Add limit, like I'll set 1 minute. Click on add. Go back and you will see these are logged. Tired of shifting apps one by one like this? I'm gonna show you how you can shift multiple apps by once. Are you tired of closing tabs one by one? I'll show you how you can close all these tabs at once. Press on this. You'll see an option, close all tabs. Click on that. And we are done. Do you know you can increase your iPhone volume by 20%? Yeah, you heard it right. Pause it. Go to settings. Search for music. Here's music. Click on this. Click on EQ. It's off. Click on late night. Go back. Play the same music.